Hi guys, today I'll be doing what is Musically. So I have a Musically. Go follow it. Can you see that great? Yep. So some of my Musicallys. Here, let me see. So these are my Musicallys. My best one's here, I know.
Oh my God, you're so freaking adorable.
I like her face expression. Okay. So, do you want to make a musical for me? Like this. And you can just like people's or click share. And then if you can do anything here. You can do that. Or you can do that or anything.
Ow, you were supposed to catch me.
Like this.
This girl called me ugly in the comment section. I said, girl, wear her. If you think you're all that.
Okay, so. And so my name is gonna be Quick Says. Go follow it. Or friend it. Okay, so now let's teach you guys how to make a musical with it. Okay, what song? I know. Let's do maybe I gave you everything. Can you guys see that? No, too bright. How about this? Now can you see it? Okay, I think I have a greater spot where you can see the recording. No. Probably. Do you want to get on it? Come on, get on it. Get on one of my music, please. Like sister. You're not liking one of them. What? Oh, you are in one of them, but okay. That's.
I gave her everything she took.
No. 05. Now, and then you just do slow-mos. But you have to face the camera. What the? Oh, that was bad. Because I looked at you guys. Okay, now let's do this normal now. I was like, what? Okay, now let's just do this. Then 05. See, look, you can see the camera. Okay, but you have to do it where you want it to be.
I gave her everything she took my heart and left me bleeding. Broken hearts contain shit.
I'm gonna lose that, baby. I just like that part. Okay, to post, this is the new update in 2018. Go to next, or you can do filters. Do that one. No. Okay. So now you click next, and then you'll see this. And then so you click that and just write I am recording. So and now look, it says hashtag or friend. And then you can just click on some, then this invite friends, then she is popular. Right there. So then you can do comments off, or you can put it public or private, or save to drafts. or save the drafts right there. And you click post. And I'll show you here.
They gon' hate me regardless. That's why I do what I do. See me in person, I'm flawless. I might just snatch up your dude. Sugar all over the chart. Bitch, I made it on the map.
Yeah, like that. And you can search up some people, their like username here. Okay, I posted it. Where is it? Right. And when you see it, it's right there. Okay, so now let's view it again.
I gave her everything. She took my heart and left me.
Yeah, that part's my favorite.
Broken hearts contain. I gave her.
And so, okay. Also, for at the next musical video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do this. It's easy. So bye bye. See you on another MSP video. Musically video now. Bye. I was recording.